Welcome to Greedy Gulper. Today we are making a dry fish recipe using Bombay duck. Hope you like our recipe. We have bought a 100-gram packet of Bombay duck which is pre-cut. If you wish, you can make these into smaller pieces. All we need to make the recipe is potato, onion, ginger garlic paste, oil, chili powder, a bit of sugar, turmeric powder, salt to taste, and of course, green chilies to enhance the taste and increase the heat as per your choice. The Bombay duck needs to be soaked in warm water for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps to loosen up the strips and also the impurities and the sand get settled in the bottom of the container. A lot of us do not prefer to have dry fish because of the pungent smell. Today, we have some tricks up our sleeves to reduce this pungent smell while cooking. Dry fish can be made with brinjal, pumpkin, potato, Malabar spinach, etc. But we choose to have it with potato, which we are making today. Here's the first trick now. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic paste and stir fry for half a minute. Add the soaked Bombay duck. The trick here is the more garlic you add to it, it helps to reduce the smell of the dry fish. Fry. Now add sufficient amount of onion and mix. The strong smell of garlic and onion helps to reduce the fishy smell to a huge extent. On medium heat, let the dry fish cook along with the onion and garlic. Dry fish are available in various departmental stores and shops. These are found both packaged as well as loose. We suggest you use the packaged ones, as these are cleaned by removing the head and fins of the fish. The loose ones have to be done manually. Packaged dry fish are best for beginners and fast cookers. Keep frying and mixing. The more you fry and mix, the taste enhances. Many people prefer to have dry fish very spicy and hot. So, the number of chilies can be altered. In fact, increased as per your taste. procedure of drying fish hails back 500 years. The Portuguese tried to use this method of drying and salting fish on several varieties of fishes available in their waters. Dry fish or salt fish is a staple diet in the Caribbean, North Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, South China, Scandinavia, parts of Canada including Newfoundland, coastal Russia, and the Arctic Circle. Locally in and around, it is consumed highly in states like Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, Northeast India, including East Bengal, which is now Bangladesh. If you like our recipe of Bombay duck, do give it a try. And yes, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.